Let's get your Tracfone TCL Flip 2 activated. First, insert the nano SIM card into the designated slot on the side of the phone. Power on the device and connect to a Wi-Fi network. Next, download the Tracfone app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. The easiest activation method is scanning the QR code on your phone's packaging with the app. This digitally provisions your SIM, assigning it an IMEI-linked number. Once activated, you'll want to ensure VoLTE is enabled for HD voice calls. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Enhanced 4G LTE mode, and toggle it on. VoLTE uses LTE data for clearer audio. After activating your SIM and enabling VoLTE, it's crucial to test your connection. Make a test call to Tracfone's support line by dialing 611, or call a personal number to confirm the signal strength and audio quality. Check for strong signal and clear audio during your call. If you experience issues like no data or call drops, check your APN settings, ensuring it's set to Tracfone's default, TF data. Also, make sure your phone is adequately charged. You should now be able to make calls and use data effectively on your TCL Flip 2. Should issues arise, consult the Tracfone app troubleshooting or search online community forums for solutions.